Hey guys, welcome to podcast, and today we are going to learn about how to navigate between different screens, which is how do you navigate by clicking this button to this screen. So this button should take you to this screen. Go to third screen. This button should take you to the third screen. This button should take you to the fourth screen, and this button will take you back to the first screen. So that's what we will be doing in this video. So let's start. For that, at first you need more than one frame for sure. Only then you will be able to navigate between different screens. Now, rather than giving whole frame a trigger, you would give this button a trigger because you only want to click on this button for going to next page. You don't want to click anywhere in your frame and that should take you to second screen. That's not the motive. The thing is that we want users to click on this button and once you click on this button, it should automatically take you to the next screen. So let's make an arrow from it and just attach it to the next frame. The trigger is on tap. That means the user will click on this button and then it will navigate to which screen. It will navigate. Remember, it shows three options. You want to navigate to third screen, fourth screen, but you want to navigate to this screen only, the second screen. So that's what we will choose, and then we will choose our dissolve animation, and we will just close it. So yeah, now we'll just check it if it's working or not. Okay, we will have to do some more settings maybe. So currently we have chosen which frame. I think, yeah, iPad mini 8.3. So that's what we will have to choose in the prototyping settings as well. To show prototyping settings, and then just change the model to iPad mini 8.3, and now everything's okay. Now when I click on this button, okay, so it goes to the second screen. Now go to the third screen. It will not go because we haven't finished it yet. Now in the similar menu we will just click on it and then do this. Okay, it's on tap or trigger. It's navigating to screen 3, so that's okay. The animation is resolved. Now we will click on this one and this will go to the fourth screen. So all settings are fine as we want. Now we will go to this one and now we will push this arrow to the first screen. The animation is resolved, the trigger is on tap and it will navigate to the screen 1. So we have finished our work. Now we will just refresh it, and now when I we can go to the second screen like this. Now we can go to the third screen like this. You see, the third screen, we are on the third screen currently. Now we will go to the fourth screen, and now we will go back to the first screen. So I hope you guys understood. In the next video we will be going towards open overlay, or maybe I'll show you how to go backwards because that's more relatable than what we did just right now. So we'll go into how to use this bad thing in the next videos. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe, and comment if you don't understand anything. If you want to know more, or if you want a particular video from me. So yeah, thank you.